Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we are going to explore the history and meaning of one of the most recognizable symbols in the world, the American flag. You've probably seen it flying proudly on buildings, at sporting events, and even on the moon. But what do the stars and stripes really represent? Let's uncover the story behind the stars and stripes. The first official American flag, known as the Betsy Ross flag, was created in 1777 during the American Revolution. It had 13 stars arranged in a circle and 13 stripes, representing the original 13 colonies that fought for independence from Great Britain. The stars symbolized unity, while the stripes represented courage and freedom. As the United States expanded, the flag changed to reflect the growth of the nation. Each time a new state joined the Union, a new star was added. Today, the American flag has 50 stars, one for each state, while the 13 stripes remain as a tribute to the original colonies. The colors of the flag also have deep meaning. Red stands for bravery and valor. White represents purity and innocence, and blue symbolizes vigilance, perseverance, and justice. Together, these colors reflect the ideals upon which the United States was founded. One of the most iconic moments in the history of the American flag was during the War of 1812, when it inspired the national anthem. After a fierce battle at Fort McHenry, the American flag was still flying, proving that the country had not been defeated. This moment inspired Francis Scott Key to write the Star-Spangled Banner, which later became the national anthem of the United States. The American flag has also been a symbol of great achievements. In 1969, when astronauts landed on the moon, they planted the flag as a symbol of American exploration and success. It is a reminder that the spirit of the United States reaches far beyond Earth. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know the history and meaning behind the stars and stripes of the American flag. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.